Hello, in this video I'm going to show the top tricks on Motorola Moto G06 Power. Okay, let's open up our settings. Let's scroll down a little and let's go straight into the gestures. In here, let's scroll down a little until we find the 3-finger screenshot first. It's a really cool way of creating a screenshot. Basically, because the basic way is by clicking the power button and volume down button, and that's the easiest way to capture a screenshot. But in my opinion, this mode looks much cooler, and it's even more comfortable to use. Simply slide your 3 fingers on the screen, to create a screenshot. Oh, my bad, we need to hold it, just like that, my bad. Because on many devices it's like we need to slide, but on Motorola we need to simply hold. But also it looks pretty cool. We also have the shortcut for the double press on our power key. We can select none or the launch camera. It's a pretty cool way to get quick access into our camera. Simply double tap the power button and the camera launches. Also a pretty cool thing, worth enabling. Let's go to the downside. Not that, but let's go into the kinetic gestures, and let's begin with the flashlight. That's one of the most recognizable features of the Motorola. When we'll do a chopping move, our flashlight should launch. Let's click on try out, and now I will take my phone, I will do the chopping move, and as you take a look, the flashlight launched. Pretty cool thing. When I'll chop once again, it turns off. Click on done to go forward. Now we have also the lift to unlock, also a really cool feature. Unlock your device by picking it up and looking at the screen in the portrait position. Let's enable it. Click on enable, but if you want to use it, you need to have your Face ID set. So we need to click on setup once again, and now all we need to do is to simply place our face inside of that frame to save our face, simply. It is also a really easy process, so I'm sure that you will handle it. Okay, let's get back. Next thing is the pick up to silence. Let's enable it. Silence the ring during an incoming call by lifting up the phone. Let's click on try out. Now we need to wait a little. Now we need to lift up the phone. And as you can see, the ring has been silenced. Pretty cool thing also, worth enabling. And the last thing is flip for do not disturb mode. We can enable it, block notifications for calls and messages by turning your phone face down. You'll still hear alarms in do not disturb mode. So, to do it, simply place your phone just like that, and the DND mode will be launched. You could also see for like half second in here an icon which showed us that the phone is in the do not disturb mode. I'll try to show you that once again. Oh, now it didn't want to show, but simply you just need to simply flip your phone just like that, lay it on a flat surface and don't touch it. If it will be laying like that, the do not disturb mode will be launched all the time. Also, we can go to the right side until we find the Moto Secure. In here we can find all of the security features in one place. It is a really cool thing because we don't need to go into the settings, look for the things. We can find everything in one place simply, and in one place it's simply more comfortable to use than each time go into the settings and look for everything manually. So this feature is also really cool. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.